Our project is on echinoderms, and as you can see, we're at the Point Defiance Zoo, and it's starting to rain, so we'll see how well this goes.
Echinoderms are spiny invertebrates that live on the ocean bottoms. They are a very diverse group and share 4 major characteristics: an endoskeleton, 5-part radial symmetry, a water vascular system, and coelmic circulation and respiration. The endoskeleton is made up of individual plates called ossicles. It provides a site for muscle attachment and shell-like protections. Most echinoderms have spines on their endoskeleton. Most echinoderms, such as the starfish, have a 5-part body plan with arms that come from a central point. Many species can also regenerate these body parts if they are lost. Echinoderms have a water-filled system of interconnected canals and small hollow tubes called a water vascular system. It functions in feeding, gas exchange, and movement. The body cavity of echinoderms functions as a simple circulatory and respiratory system. Most echinoderms have skin gills, which are small projections that grow between spines and create surface area through which respiratory gases can be exchanged. They also are able to excrete waste. Echinoderms are one of the most numerous of all marine phyla. There are 5 main groups: sea stars, brittle stars, sea lilies, sea urchins, and sand dollars, and sea cucumbers. The first group of echinoderms are sea stars or starfish, which are the most familiar. Almost all of them are carnivores, and they are very important to marine ecosystems. They can pull open clams and other shells with their strong tube feet. Starfish also have pedicelaria, which are structures that prevent other organisms from attaching themselves to the surface.
What's your favorite animal?
Starfish,
How come?
because it has 5 legs.
Anything else cool about starfish?
No,
Brittle stars are related to starfish, but they have more slender arms that can break off easily. They live on the ocean bottom and hide under rocks. Most brittle stars are filter feeders. Go. The sea lilies are the most ancient of the echinoderms, and they differ because their mouths are not located on the lower surface. They are sessile and are attached to the ocean floor by a stalk. Sea urchins and sand dollars are different from most other echinoderms because they do not have distinct arms. They both have a hard endoskeleton. Sea urchins have spines that provide protection, and some even contain venom. Sea urchins live on the ocean bottom, while sand dollars live mostly in sandy areas on the coast.
Bryce. Hey. What's your favorite animal?
Sea urchin,
Why?
because they're pokey.
Okay, go. The last group of echinoderms are sea cucumbers, which have a soft body and no arms. Some sea cucumbers are hermaphrodites. They feed by trapping tiny organisms in the seawater. Their mouth is surrounded by several dozen tube feet that have been modified into tentacles. The tentacles are covered with a sticky slime that traps plankton.
You gotta get me first.
No, Okay, go.
I'm shy. And also my movement of the spine. Alright, we're done. We don't need to read that. Sea urchins. Sea urchins have a radial symmetrical body with an external chitinous skeleton. So what's your favorite fish?
starfish.
Why? Stop it, man. You're pointing. Echinoderms are marine invertebrates that inhabit every conceivable ocean environment. They are divided into 5 subgroups. They look like a pickle. Echinoderms are marine invertebrates that inhabit every conceivable ocean environment. They're divided into 5 subgroups: Crinoidea, Astoridida, I can't even say it. A lot of people inhabit the zoo. Bryce, Mr. Garcia. Lindsay's the fiercest animal of them all.
You're so stupid. You're good. Some animals develop in a different way. For animals in the file, econo-tune. The anus develops from the blasted core in the mouth. From animals with this pattern are called deuterogens.
I got it. He only has one leg.
No, it has a little stub. He only has one leg.
No, he has a stub. You see it?
Try to get on the camera. Hello, Mr. Growth.